So, just a bit of a montage of Callum putting back together his E30. Some clips of stripping out the parts car, putting the running gear into the non-rusty body, getting that running and taking it on a road trip. So yeah, it's been a long time in the making. You see the car there in bits, October 22 at his house. So yeah, finally runs after 3 or 4 years, so very good.
So I don't know if you can hear me over the drone of the shitbox, but being requested by old mate Bailey to get some clips of tonight is finally getting my hands onto one of the E30s. Should probably be fixing this one considering the amount of lights that are on the dash currently too. What would a BMW be without some character? I'm quite surprised I haven't smashed my back window yet. Using the proper jacking points. No plans of it though. Some more in there?
Twisted tapes.
Yeah. Okay, let's try it like this. Let me see if this was like issue because I didn't always.
Yep.
Okay, is that mean we're going for dinner?